I'm Daniel Lewis.
And I'm Jules Farrow from Awen Collective.
The frequency and complexity of cyber attacks on our industries is increasing.
The integration of legacy operational technologies with new devices has led to vulnerabilities in industrial control systems, leading not only to high-profile attacks, but a significant number of smaller attacks too.
Awen Collective addresses this problem by developing software for the whole digital forensics and incident response lifecycle. We are reducing the cost of cyber threats and cyber physical risk to industry.
We're here today highlighting our new product, DOT. DOT automates asset and risk discovery across Industry 4.0 and legacy devices.
Despite being a small Welsh startup, we have already made an impact in the British water and defence sectors. We are now looking to expand and, with our experience in industrial control security, work with organisations to apply our solutions across Europe.